Saturday the 2nd of January 2021. What a wonderful winter day here at Liso Bay. Lots of people enjoying the water, walks along the beach. I've just been for my barefoot walk down there, Wallasey Beach, walked all the way along. Feet were freezing, it was all good. Shoes back on, over the sand hills there, and now I'm going to walk down there, take shoes back off again, through by the Happy Chili Dippers there, all the kayakers, it's all good. Wow, awesome. Liso Bay, Halfborough Coastal Park. This is great.